Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1. Putting up the fence. I took it down a long time ago and now I'm getting it back up. But I want to take a short break and talk about the explosion and massive explosion and fire at a plastic factory in outside of Bangkok, Thailand. This plastic company makes styrofoam and makes a lot of it for a lot of people to pack their TVs, their computers. It's involved in lots of the packaging for home products. So they're already talking about this will increase some shortages. It will put some more pressure on the logistical supply chain that feeds the United States and also feeds the world. So just another thing that's happening. Do not know the cause of this massive explosion. 62 people were injured, 300 homes were damaged. I do believe one loss of life. I think it was a firefighter. So just more and more explosions and incidences that are really hurting the supply chain that supplies the world. So keep stocking, keep prepping, and maybe think about your security. How are you going to secure everything that you have put back when everyone else is short? Thanks for watching.